break the pattern. I think that's what I've been looking at, especially on a day like today, which is election day in Bombay. It's very interesting sights on the road. But why do we need to break patterns? Any pattern, whether it works for you or not, whether it's good or bad, becomes a habit. It also becomes something that you like or dislike. So you become very attached to it. So I think it's important to break your own patterns so that you change as a person. And every time you break a pattern, you realize that you move faster in life. In some part of your life, there will be a movement because you just broke something you were very attached to. And that attachment or that newness brings a lot of sweetness, joy, love, and just growth in your life. So, for example, if I'm somebody who's very creative at work, suddenly I decide, okay, I'm going to be very logical, or I bring some balance in the creativity and logic. Your work improves. If somebody like me who's been digital for such a long time, and I'm looking at platforms as a business, suddenly if I'm looking at networks, my worldview has shifted. So I've broken a pattern of thinking of businesses as platforms. Or if I'm somebody who is a giver in a relationship, suddenly I look for balance. That makes my life richer. Or if I'm biased towards mental stimulation and not so much towards physical activity, and I just bring a lot more physical activity in my life, my health shifts in a very, very different way. If I'm somebody who's biased towards not eating fruits and I start eating fruits, it shows on my skin. Or if I'm somebody who's really like time conscious, like I'm very like I operate from the tyranny of time and space, and I break it, and I suddenly am like time and space continuum is broken. Your life expands. You become very unbounded. Even things that you think are good for you. For example, you're very disciplined, and for a minute you just break the discipline, and you keep bringing balance between chaos and discipline. That makes your life more creative. Just all of this. So the idea is to bring balance anywhere where you think you've been in a certain place, pattern space, groups, etc. For a long period of time, you're becoming like someone, somewhere. Change it, break it, habitually break it. That should be a habit, to break the pattern. The beauty of that in your life is something you'll see over a period of time. I am seeing a massive value being unlocked because all I've done, I think, in the last 2 months is break patterns. Just about every pattern that I have been able to identify. If I don't identify it, I can't break it. But if I identify it and I don't break it, then what is the point of being intelligent? Then you don't have common sense. Intelligent people sometimes lack common sense, but common sense serves in the long run. And it also forces you to break your ego because you get attached to your ways, and that becomes your ego point. So breaking a pattern is also about breaking your ego, and that's important.